Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, kami dari kelompok yang bernama Wolframid. Dengan isi anggota kelompok kami, satu dengan saya sendiri, Raihan Otsantiko, dengan NIM F1D121068. Yang kedua ada Hurin Uliasania dengan F1D121069. Yang ketiga ada Rati Kumalasari dengan NIM F1D121070. Yang keempat ada Happy Dalvin Christian Warwu dengan NIM F1D121071. Dan yang kelima ada Nancy Sofia Lorentina Togatorop dengan NIM F1D121072. Kami akan membahas tentang Understanding Journal Article yang berjudul Methodology of Coal Losses Calculation at Open Pit Mining for Complex Geological Condition. Yang pertama dengan judul abstrak yang akan dibacakan oleh anggota kami yang bernama Rati Kumalasari. Kepada Rati kami persilahkan.
Baik, terima kasih Raihan Otsantiko. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang abstrak. At present, industry document and methods of coal losses regulation take into account online meaning in simple condition. The coal seam has a constant index, angle, and thickness. However, there is no method of coal losses regulation in difficult condition. In particular, in mining coal seams in tectonically disturbed zones for deposit having hard condition of stratigraphic technique is a very arrogant task. This article for the creation of this document. Some result of calculating the coal losses at mining by backhoes in disjunctive dislocation are also given in this article. Technological seam of coal are proposed. Terima kasih. Selanjutnya akan dijelaskan oleh Happy Dalvin Christian Warwu.
Baik, selanjutnya saya akan menjelaskan tentang introduction dari isi dari artikel ini ya. Introduction-nya adalah to calculate the loss in the preparation of the project, it is difficult to produce a comprehensive assessment of geologically condition. Therefore, it is necessary to develop specific recommendation or algorithm to easily assess the impact on the loss of certain tectonic disturbances and their degree of importance. Those in mining zones of tectonic disturbance associated with different factors and take different values. Thus, for example, the displacement amplitude at dysfunction violence is significantly affected by losses, considering the fact that during the surface mining development, open pits have been deepening. Next, a wide range of papers is devoted to using raglines for overburden reforming and coal extraction work. However, ragline technological parameters do not allow using them for coal beds, roof stripping with minimal losses. On the other hand, the technical characteristic of backhoes allow the negligible quantity in the contouring of the coal seam, since the losses are small and are formed by a roof surface formation. If we consider the loss of the roof and soil of the coal seam, then they will also be produced for the following reason. The rough surface of overburden rock and coal seams contact and low sensitivity of rock contact. When stripping the seams, roof contact face irregularities and coal stripping technology imperfection in some areas may remain overburden interbeds or rock pieces, which were later taken out coal and polluted. A special feature of the hydraulic excavator is the maximum force at any height digging, so the driver does not feel rock contact and may undercut the coal seam. Similar problems arise when stripping the soil of the seam. Nevertheless, the loose layers height is much less than with using a rope shovels. The experience of a full-scale study of mining operation on Kasbah's open pits in the area of this function, this location occurs multiple crushing bending of the seam, which leads to an intense admixture of rock in the coal. Selanjutnya akan dilanjutkan oleh teman saya.
Oke, terima kasih kepada Happy Dalvin. Selanjutnya akan saya lanjutkan. Methods. In any case, the development of the classification is very difficult to evaluate our geological condition, accounting the effect of which would make it possible to reduce this process to a typical calculation. Therefore, we assume that the general criterion for assessing the level of losses of coal will be the total length of the contact rock and coal within a stop or panel. This is due to the fact that the main source of losses in the development of complicated coal seams by hydraulic excavator is a rock and coal contact, because other source of waste in comparison with the work of saws, in the particular non-digging triangles, will be excluded. However, even in this case, it seems to use very difficult to unify the development environment as bedding options, such as synclinal faults can vary considerable. For example, it can change the incidence angle of the fault wings, the width of its joint, the structure, simple or complex seams, etc. In this regard, we attempt to determine the loss of coal under difficult conditions on relying on the change of basic parameters. Baik, selanjutnya akan dilanjutkan oleh teman kami.
Baik, terima kasih Rehan. Selanjutnya di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang result and discussion. It is logical to assume that the definition of the area and volume of coal for subsequent calculation will be reduced only to the current condition in a particular area. Change of all seam parameters can give an unlimited number of calculation options. So, for varying parameter has been accepted a seam thickness, because in real condition, this area is just characterized by unevenness of the seam's thickness, working of the panel carried up by layer height to 5 meter. Baik, selanjutnya akan dilanjutkan kepada teman.
Terima kasih untuk Saudari Hurin. Kami akan membahas tentang conclusion yang kami dapatkan dari jurnal kami, yaitu the analysis of the graphic allows to us conclude the following. 1. When seam thickness is areas of faulting is less than 6 to 7 meters, then a sharp jump in the level of losses occurs, rising up to 50% at the seam thickness of 2 meter. Consequently, the prevention of forest the site should be given to technology of coal seams mining in zones of fault. 2. The main factor affecting the level of losses the fault coal seams in the leg of the rock and coal contact within the worket of the planal stop. Other factors include tidal disturbance, complicated disjunction and its parameter, and well as the parameter of coal seam thickness and the type of equipment used. 3. Coal losses have imposed power defense of the seams techniques in the sea of this descent. Faulting, the R2 correlation coefficient is more than 0,99, indicating the high accuracy of the result. 4. It the necessary of developing NIFID methodology for calculating losses of coal under a challenging environment and the various types of equipment flowing by in implementation as industry document. referensinya Berenja MM, Kalinin FV, Pranoja VG, Elmedut concluding the width of the cavity rubber in the transporous system of working a series of flowing beds solid mining 66 638 sampai 643 1970. Yang kedua itu CJ yang H application of open pit and underground mining technology for residual coal and Slova's mining science and technology 22 266 sampai 270 tahun 2010. Yang ketiga Sekidov 6 Norik VK Sarkansev GG Diversification of Open Pit Coal Mining with Dragaining Journal of Mining Science. Yang keempat The Marine Effect of the Rock Mass Parameter of the Dragline Excavation Performance Journal of Mining Science. Yang kelima The Marine NM Frimpong as Dragline Dynamic Modeling of Efficient Excavation International Journal of Surveying Mining, Reclamation and Environment. Yang keenam Hamel M Comparison of Exciting Open Coal Mining Method in some countries over the world in Europe Journal Mining Science. Thank you for attention and see you next time. God bless you.
Sekian presentasi dari kelompok kami. Saya sekaligus moderator pada Zoom kali ini mengucapkan terima kasih banyak dan mewakilkan rekan-rekan kelompok yang lain. Kami ucapkan Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.